You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because your money has a personality and it's working against you. And once you notice this one hidden habit, you'll start seeing why your bank account never grows no matter how much your salary increases. In this video, we're not talking about budgeting apps or side hustles. We're going deeper. You'll understand how your behavior, your emotions, and your unnoticed habits quietly drain your money even when you're earning well. Imagine this. You're an office worker. You wake up early, commute, sit through meetings, deal with pressure, deadlines, all of it. At the end of the month, your salary hits your account. For a moment, it feels good. You think, okay, this month I'll finally save something. But then, a few dinners out, a couple of online orders, a small treat-yourself moment after a stressful week, and somehow, you're back to checking your balance like, wait, where did it all go? Here's the truth most people never realize. Money decisions are rarely logical. They're emotional. You don't spend because you need things. You spend because you feel something. Stress, boredom, pressure, even success. Behavioral psychology calls this emotional compensation. Your brain uses money to fix feelings, not problems. Think about this. You had a long, exhausting day at work. Your boss was difficult. Your energy is gone. On your way home, you order expensive food, not because you're hungry, but because you feel like you deserve it. That one decision, it feels small, but repeated over weeks, it quietly eats your financial future. Here's the twist. Most people who struggle with money aren't bad with numbers. They're just too good at justifying their emotions. You might be thinking, okay, but I work hard. I should enjoy my money. And you're right. But here's the deeper issue. You've connected earning money with permission to spend it. So every time your income increases, your lifestyle increases even faster. It's called lifestyle inflation, but psychologically, it's something else. It's your brain saying, more money equals more relief. But relief isn't the same as progress. And this is where it hits. You're not stuck because you don't make enough. You're stuck because every raise, every bonus, every extra dollar gets absorbed by habits you don't even notice. You're running faster, but staying in the same place. Here are a few patterns most people don't catch. 1. Spending to reward yourself. You turn money into a coping mechanism after stress. 2. Upgrading too quickly. New phone, better clothes, nicer restaurants just because you can. 3. Ignoring small leak subscriptions, convenience spending, impulse buys. They don't feel big, but they stack up silently. If this continues, you'll keep earning more, but feeling exactly the same. Still checking your balance, still delaying savings, still telling yourself, next month I'll be better. Years pass, and suddenly, you realize your income grew but your freedom didn't. There's a guy, let's call him Daniel. Solid job, good salary, promotions over time. From the outside, he looked successful, but internally, every month felt tight. One day, he tracked his spending not to budget, but to observe. What he found surprised him. He wasn't overspending on big things. It was small, emotional decisions. Late-night orders after stressful days. Weekend shopping when he felt bored. Random upgrades when he felt behind others. Nothing extreme, just constant. That's when it clicked. It wasn't his income. It was his behavior. You don't need a complicated system. Start with this. Pause before emotional spending. Not forever, just pause. Ask yourself one question, am I solving a problem or a feeling? If it's a feeling, wait 24 hours. That small gap breaks the pattern. Next, separate reward from spending. Not every good day needs money. Not every bad day needs comfort purchases. And finally, give your money direction before emotions take over. Even a simple rule like saving first before spending creates control. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't lose money in big decisions. You lose it in invisible habits. You're not broke because life is expensive. You're broke because your emotions are managing your money. And until you change that, no salary will ever feel enough. But the moment you take control of your behavior, your money finally starts working for you, not against you.